I got an email from a client this morning asking, is there anything you can do about user registration spam and spam on my blog? And of course there is. So let me show you what the best method is. If we take a quick look at one of our PremiumPress themes, this is the WordPress directory theme. The first thing I'm going to do is log into the admin area. So click on Dashboard and click on the PremiumPress options. Now from this panel here, I'm going to click on Settings. And I'm going to scroll down and locate this Google ReCaptcha v3. Now this panel is enabled in all of our PremiumPress themes. So it's not just a directory theme, it's all of the PremiumPress themes. What we're going to do is turn on the Google ReCaptcha so that users have to complete a small puzzle when they register or submit blog posts, which prevents a lot of spam and bot registration. So the first thing I'm going to do is click on this visit website, which takes me straight to the Google page I need. Click on admin console. And I'm going to click on this little cog icon on the top right. From this page, I can now get the keys that I need to enter into this section here. So I'm simply going to click copy, and I'm going to paste it in, and again copy, and I'm going to paste it in. And finally, I'm going to enable this option. So again, save the changes. Now what I'm going to do is preview it on my website. So I'm going to go to my website, and the first thing I'm going to do is check my blog posts. So I'm going to click blog, any of my posts. Scroll down and you'll now see this Google verification option on the bottom. So previously a user would enter their comments and click post comments. Now a user must complete this form and then they can obviously post a comment. And it's the same concept with user registrations. If we load the registration page, so let me just load the registration option. You'll now see on the registration page the user must complete the ReCaptcha option here too. So it's a very quick tutorial that quickly shows you how to enable Google ReCaptcha on your PremiumPress WordPress theme. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and a thumbs up, and I'll continue creating content just like this. Thanks again, and I'll see you in the next video.